when used appropriately. It has an 83% rate of return on a dinner invitation.
Wow.
It's called the bend and snap. Watch this. I think I dropped something on the floor that I need to pick up. So you bend and snap. Bend and snap. Good job.
Hey, what's up? Hello, my name is Kyna. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm new here already, so might as well subscribe. In today's video, I am doing a nice try-on haul. I haven't did one of these in a minute, so like your girl is excited. I've been doing a little online shopping or whatever. I got me a few pieces from Fashion Nova, girl. Yes, I got me some pieces from Rosewe and Alloy. I've never actually ordered from Rosewe before. They actually reached out to me, asked me if I want to do a little review for them. So I was like, sure, you know, why not? So I was like checking out their website or whatever. And their clothes are cute, girl. Like their clothes are really cute. Like I would kind of compare them to Fashion Nova. Like, you know, more cutesy, going out type clothes. They also have a lot of like business casual clothes. They have your nice jumpsuits. They have, you know, things you'd wear to an event. They've got a lot of cute things. About their shipping, their stuff comes ASAP, honey. I got my stuff in like 2-3 days. I was not expecting that because like most online stores, they're based out in China. So I was expecting, you know, a week or two, couple weeks, maybe close to a month to get my packages. But no, I got those things in like 2-3 days. So kudos to Rosewe. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this try on haul. I've not done one of these in a minute, but I'm really excited because I got me a couple things, few things here and there, and they're cute, they're bomb. I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the sweater from Rosewe. I actually really like this. Has like a nice color block pattern to it, nice browns, creams, blacks, nice fall colors or whatever. It's even color blocked in the back. She fits really nice, really soft. It is a little thin to be a sweater. So like if you're in a colder spot, you're trying to stay warm, I'd suggest wearing a tank top underneath to keep you warm. I'll probably have to do that, you know, because it's a little cold here. So I only got one item from their store, but like everything on the website is really cute and inexpensive. I think I got this sweater for only like 21 bucks. So I'm pairing with some black jeans right now. She cute or whatever. Okay, so I'm onto Fashion Nova. First thing I'm trying on is this pink, really soft, really fluffy sweater. It is a cropped sweater. It has a nice turtleneck to it. The material is really soft. This will like keep you warm for sure in the winter time. I am pairing with these like high-waisted black jeans. I just really love this, love the color. The turtleneck is really cool, like, and thick. You can like wear it down, put it up a little bit. I don't really know how you wear turtlenecks. I hated turtlenecks when I was growing up. So like, this is really cute. And as you guys know, I love pink, so I'm just really here for this sweater. She's cute and really soft and feels amazing. So this is a plus. Thank you, Fashion Nova. So this next item for Fashion Nova has me a little disappointed, only because as you can tell, it's one of those like stretchy sheer shirts. And honestly, I do have a couple of these shirts. One reason I got this shirt was because I thought it was a little different. The model had it on with like a tube top black bra, and I thought like it was gonna be built in, but no. Like it's completely see-through. This is my own black bra. I also got it because I like these like indents on the side. I don't know if you can tell, but they have like these black indents, but like this is a no for me. Another thing that's not so good about this top is that, like, you know how like stockings ride up or like where they rip and they like just start to like run? That's how this top is doing. I don't know if it's too small or whatever. I got it in a size large. I always get my clothes in a size large or medium, depending if I want it to be big or like smaller or whatever. So this is on a size large. It should fit, but it ripped when I was trying it on. It also ripped in the back right there. And there's like a button right there. I can't obviously get it by myself, so I left that undone. Also, this is like very like high-waisted, or like it goes up really high on the sides, and I don't really like that because these pants are very high-waisted. Like, they go above my belly button and it's showing out on the sides. So unless you're wearing something that's like to your boobs, or I don't know if you just like it high on your sides, it'll be best for you. But for me personally, I don't like this. I actually can't do anything about it's ripping even more. Like, I swear this rip started right here. It's all the way down to my chest area. So this top is a no-go, which sucks. I didn't even get to like wear it or anything. But like I said, I also have tops like this, so like I'm good, I'm straight. Only thing is that's a little different to this top as well. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like shiny. Like, has a like iridescent, like shiny material to it. It's like, it's not just black, it has a little pizzazz. And that sparkly pizzazz aspect to this top really got me, and I just had to have it. But yeah, the shirt's a no-go. I'm sorry. I can't do anything about these rips. It's just... So this is the next item I got from Fashion Nova, and let me just tell you, when I saw this on their website, I just had to get it. Just a simple like tie in the front top. It is sheer, but like also not a lot of showing. It's not like that sheer of a shirt, which is really cute. It has this like rosy polka dot black print to it. It's really flowy and just really elegant and cute. That's what the back looks like. I could probably wear these with some white jeans and it would still be cute. This is a really cute like summer shirt. I'd definitely be wearing this in the summer. Just, I don't even know what to say. Like, has some décolleté showing or whatever. It's just cute. I also got this in a size large and it fits perfectly. Like, I have no complaints. So next item is this bodysuit. She is really cute. Like, when I saw this on the website, I just had to have it. I also saw Cardi B wearing this top and I was like, sis, I gotta get this bodysuit. So I did, and this is what she looks like. She's nice and cute, burgundy, nice and suede or whatever. Only thing is, it's just not structured in the top. Like, it's really like wide, and like I just wanted it to be a little bit more tighter. It's just, you know, not holding the girls up like I'd like. And I feel like if I wear a bra, like a strapless bra with this V is so low that it'd be showing, and I of course don't want my bra showing. It would look really cute on Valentine's Day. Like if I had a Valentine's Day date. Wink, wink. Joking, probably won't. But yeah, it's a thought that counts. But I really like this bodysuit. She cute or whatever. Just maybe gotta wear some sticky boobs to lift my girls up. But besides that, she cute, and I will be wearing this. Okay. So I went ahead and switched it up on you guys. I know you guys were tired of seeing me in those tops and those same black pants. So this is the next item I'm going to be trying on from Fashion Nova. It is in a size large. It is one of my faves from them. I also saw this on their website and also on their Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow their Instagram, but I just had to have this dress. So I bought it. And that's what it looks like. It is backless. Has a little strap in the back. It also zips right here, because without this zipper, I honestly would not be able to put this dress on. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. The dress is also satin, has like a nice satin material. It's really strappy on the sides and detailed. It looks really nice on. Only thing is about this dress that it doesn't really fit my girls right. Like if I just put my arms down, like my girls popping out on the sides. Like, I don't know, I feel like, I don't know if it's just me and like, you know, big girl problem, big boob problem, but I just really like the sides and all the detailing on this dress. It is satin. It has like this rosy print, rosy material to it. Girl, I just love this dress. Like, I love everything about it. It's just really cute. It's a showstopper. I stopped the show. So yeah, kudos to you, Fashion Nova. I love this dress. So this next item is this faux leather skirt, which I am in love with. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna fit this well, but it does. It fits them curves nice. It honestly makes you look like you have a figure, and I don't really like this. Is just all for show. But yeah, I really like this skirt. She fits well, she fits nice, hugs all them curves. I got this in a size large and she fits really well. Like usually I'm scared that dresses and skirts won't fit on my waist, but this one does. And I really, really like this skirt. Okay, but yeah, like she cute or whatever, and I will be wearing this. You will see this on the gram. If you don't follow me on the gram, go ahead and do that at That's Painful. But yeah, she cute, we cute. Ooh. So this is the last and final item from Fashion Nova, and let me just tell you guys, I am in love with this bodysuit. Like, let me just do a 360 for you guys, just so you can see what it looked like. Like, y'all, come on now. You cannot tell me this is like one of the baddest bodysuits you've ever seen. Like, this is so cute. Like, oh my god, like, oh, so cute now. But yeah, as you can tell, this is just a nude bodysuit, long sleeve, back out, backlace, whatever you want to call it. And I really honestly have nothing to say. Like, this is just a bomb ass bodysuit. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. I have it on with jeans right now, but if I was wearing this to go out, I definitely wear with like a skirt, maybe, you know, just to like pop the fuck out. I couldn't wear it with a bra because my bra strap in the back would show. You would also see your bra straps on the sides. This top just isn't made to wear a bra with. So no bra, but this material is so nice and silky. Like, it doesn't look like it'd be a silky top, but it is. It's just, oh my gosh, like, oh, it's just really cute. Like, I have no complaints. Like, she fits well, fits great, looks great on. Like, this top is a banger. Like, when you wear this out, keep your man safe because she cute, I'm cute. We make a good pair. So the next item I'm gonna be trying on for you guys are these pants. These like faux leather black pants from Alloy. Let me put you on to Alloy real quick. For those of you who don't know, Alloy is a company that specializes in clothes for taller women. They have like inseams that go all the way to like a 39. I think they're working on bringing out 41 inseams. So like anything tall clothes, if you're tall or if you want your clothes a little bit longer, shop at Alloy. I'm telling you this now, I'm putting you on. This is where I get all my pants from. Like, you may have some like mess-ups here and there, but like for the most part, their stuff is bomb. Like, I am a 37 inseam because I am a tall girl, I am a tall woman, I am a tall drink of water, all that and above. But their company, like I said, specializes in making taller length clothing for taller women. So this is officially me putting you on to Alloy. They fit really nice on. They're true to length. They are long enough. I don't want to show you guys my feet because they are not done, but they are long enough. They fit really well. I ordered them in a size 11 or 10, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I got them in a size 10. I've always wanted a pair of pants like this because like this is kind of like the trend, I guess, nowadays to wear like leathers, faux leathers, all that kind of stuff. But like, these pants are really cute. Big kudos to Alloy. I love these jeans. So this is the next pair of pants I bought from Alloy, and y'all, these are probably one of the cutest pairs of pants I've gotten from their website. As you can tell, they have like this like nice detailing on this side. The pockets have like this zipper to them. Yeah, just a nice pair of khaki pants. I don't actually own a pair of khaki pants. These are my first pair, and hunty, these are bomb. Like, they fit so well. Like, the detailing on them are so cute. They are long enough. They are also in a size 10, I want to say. Either 10 or 11. Like I said, they changed their sizing chart, but these pants are just so cute. They are long enough. I did get them in a 37 inseam, but this is a perfect time to wear khakis. I feel like in the winter, fall time, spring, whatever. These are just really cute and they fit me really well. So once again, kudos to Aloe because I love these. I love these jeans. They're really cute. They fit well, and yeah. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If any questions, please ask below in the comment section. Like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.